George Lucas from Lucas Greenhouses, and we're in Monroeville, New Jersey. We grow annual flowers and liners. 60% of our crop is finished, and 40% is liners. We started in 1978, my wife and I, with 9,000 square feet. Today we're running about 1.7 million, and looking for new opportunities always to keep expanding. We started growing foliage plants of all things when we first started, and our dream was to have an acre. So we've exceeded our dream. Our kids are all involved in the business. I have 3 children, 2 girls and a boy, and they're involved in the business in the financial side, and my son Nate's trying to learn how to do what I do. So every day he wears his fireman's hat and we make it all work. So we have about 34 acres of environmentally controlled space, and we have about 30 acres of outdoor growing space. So during our process, we often get asked the question, how do you choose what type of structure to build? And in the early days, it was really mostly a financial decision, not so much what was the best tool for the job. But we try nowadays, I view it as a carpenter's tool bag, and he has all kinds of different hammers and different tools that he uses, and we use our greenhouses the same way. So I have poly houses for things that like high humidity and that type of an environment. We have a lot of glass greenhouses for our prop ranges and high ability to control things in there, high light levels, great shade systems, and all those toys. And then we have a retractable that we use to protect our outdoor growing environment and give us really the best of all worlds. Really like growing in an open environment, and so that's why we chose the Cravo for this installation. So this facility that we're in right now, this 10-acre Cravo facility, actually was an outdoor growing facility, like you can see at the far end behind me. And the purpose of building this was to help us to control that environment. And so we chose Cravo for the open roof to be able to protect from cold temperatures in the early part of spring, and also from rain. Especially these last 2 years, it's been a home run because we've had really wet, rainy springs, and we've been able to keep our crop quality much higher, being able to protect it from the rain. And so we started building this past year, 2017. We started building in November. 2016 in November, and we were in the greenhouse 4 months later in the early part of March of 2016. So it's been a great thing. The guys did a great job with supplying us product. Our guys built the whole thing ourselves, so it's just been a great experience. So we're now at our new 55,000 square foot retractable shipping area. And as you can see, there are baskets in the roof. We put about 18,000 10-inch baskets in the roof, and we've actually turned that roof twice. And we've also turned our floor space twice this spring. The reason we chose this structure, again, for that reason, actually, we wanted a greenhouse structure instead of a hard-covered metal buildings, because I wanted to be able to grow in here. And also, if we have things on carts and things, I like the natural light effect. Keeps things in much better shape when we're doing our shipping. And we have the same environment as we have right next door in the Cravo that's attached to it. So for those reasons, we chose to do another Cravo style greenhouse.